What if I told you what we had was already good, but someone chose to make it unforgettable? There was a time where the courts were just places we use every day, places we learned, played, and grew together as one school. At St. Mary's International College, education goes beyond the classroom, and excellence is a standard we live by. Today, we stand on a brand new football pitch, on a transformed handball court and a basketball court, rising into excellence. And it doesn't stop here. The outdoor volleyball court and tennis court are next, because our founder, Mr. Paul Tizibon Atang, believes in building not just facilities but futures. On behalf of every student, we say thank you for investing in our education, our environment, and the community that shapes who we are becoming. Admissions for the 2026-2027 session are now open. Join a community that thrives. Join St. Mary's.